Oh man, initial challenges of the business. I think getting over the learning curve. There's always a steep learning curve when you start a business. You don't realize how steep it is going to be when you start. And so we started with great passion and great enthusiasm and not as much knowledge. And so learning the areas that you need to grow in, figuring out how to do what you're going to do, how to best present it, because to run a business, you have to be able to win clients. And so there was a span of time between when we enthusiastically started our business and when we actually started winning clients. And that period of time can be very discouraging, and you have to have a lot of mental fortitude to make it through that time where you're trying to figure everything out. You're trying to decide what the best practices are. You're going to try to decide what services you're going to offer, and then you have to get out and sell it to people. And that was a really challenging time for us, just getting our feet off the ground and winning that first client, because once you start winning, you can use that momentum to carry you on to the next client. But that initial period where you have to figure out what you don't know and what you do know, and what services you want to offer, and also, just as importantly, what services you don't want to offer, because you can't specialize in everything. And just figuring out the direction that you're going to go, that's always a big challenge.